all these things. Share the ebano. Again, I so I mean, your story for free town in one. You catch them say Americano. Namu Tigana, Namu Diatem. Right there. Yes, here be muchi Uber, a bibu suchi Africa. Uber no crampo and sanya car for fro. Na me kasi yesi minko worry about Krasini, na about Krasini no. Ono na sa about Krasini no, ono betuma boa me ma me bra akoso. Na me yiri broni ni de ono ntumi mboa me. Mama betena kuro mu ha ma ende muchi Okada. Me do obia o. Ba obia beti hit di bi. Obia. On girl jantre ni bi na ekuya poki. Yede na bonk mu ewo Maryland. O sorry a no aye makeup. No abetena Facebook no kan kwase asem oni adwuma ye. Mese me madwuma ni. Mese me ekọ madwuma ni. Obia ni adwuma ye. Munyina munya adwuma pa bia okrom ha. Now motete Ghana se mo ye journalist for mo aba krom ba adwuma mo border. Wan be fa mo adwuma. Munya me housewife ye be bom to. Ye be ye mu independent prostitutes na mo hihefie na ye di mu ne ye mamo wo na mo soro na mo twibeni ma betena eye den eye UTV so hwe mo gi say that form mo mo bibi da on ai me say ye be mu diplomatic jantrafo mo bo jantra so ai say mo jantra ai eno na mo de bedidi sa na mbe ye no because ye tamo de wo ba ha say ye no ba be wo ye no be dam wo ye jantra ni diplomatic one. Na motiti Ghana ke kan kwase asem ye na eti radio so ye na ye mo interview president nyire wo wiase ewie mo wi abo ba betwi e de Okada is a wonya line see e bechi munti mo anka se mo ba no ba say ade na nya big deal bia a big deal papa hey na nyam na mo interview president for no Uber Eats college for nkwara omo pe eye college ni akora bi wa konum wi a ope eye snack bia no wato na ma me panyini ye betete mo shogbe ye be woso mo e ma mwanka se be wuze sa na buru kire na fom mu ya mu bebuye ye ka kire mo se ye independent okrum ha we control ye okay mo se mo ntiase ene me rari krasini oti Ghana radio so Ghana radio me betime be 30 Ghana radio betime be 30 betime 1 month be Ghana radio 30 now when ye adwuma radio Ghana ye tua no ka an hour $20 an hour. Ghana we Ghana tua no ka $20 an hour. Apo. Me ka je se mun nyina mu tu free Ghana. Especially mo na mo ye account radio no. Mo betena krom ha, mo be diplomatic jantrafo. So one person we diplomatic jantra ubetwi Okada. Hwe. Na when be for radio dwuma no ehfa. Na sa radio na omugugu bronze ne Massachusetts no inkurase for radio no ankofo basement na hihye o. Inkofo basement na hihye. Ye control the consistency is there. Na me gin say mo interview president na nka mo ba kroma no. Na nka mo kwakọ edwuma BBC mo resume no. Ka mo be tro wo so. Ye de interview president Kofo. Ye papa. Na me gin say mo ba ehye mo resume ni so me minimum ya me ya. Consenti. Mami lower my voice. Na me gin say we the KKD. Now I was thinking saying kamo buy no kamo di resume ni ba nanka president Kofo picture taraso. Ye the interview ye papa Kofo. Ye na 2012, 2030 kwai abroad 2030, 2040. Ye na koye report wo ye amata eko na ye boy ye no. Me ne frame kua poki. Na me ye dwuma an ye wo UTV kwa me despa ne hu de sika na utua me kan ti ba America me be ye dwuma BBC wa bodam. Mo be gugu dem ye be use mu se moa. On Sunday, ekuya poki. Oye TikTok video che akora wo GSS. Eno no de be didi na wo de be den. Ekuya poki. Ende odware pe ye ne da wie pe no abetwi nanim no abetena TikTok. Wonim Ghana be sisa na wo de na be wa dem fa so be na wo so ha. Wa wo nya fe. Wa wo nko school papa bia. Wa wankasa wo nya dynamic woman bia. Be ma betwi di wachi akọ bia kwaji emfa so bia ni wo so. O ti se bidie ka. Kwasi ya ba. Kevin did you about them ubodam. Motiti Ghana. Mudibo from kwan wi na mokeka nkwase asem. On se bi America treat mo. Mabo bombre wa by force. And the muntumi huhuru mo animu metena TV so. Muntumi huhuru mo animu meye show e Facebook. Madane mrewa. Mu age mo ne eye Dominican Republic mai the same age ye hu omo a ne ye show mo. a stone boy a show for a couple of Baltimore for girls. Oh, show Bedima and the mother than number one. When you make up 10 inches, I'm going to make TikTok and more. Mobile camera to Temunufuasi. What's your for? Motigana Munipa. Ye tumu for a month to Motigana Mokan Quasiasam. I ain't Kevin telling my Bema Umbra Ghana no bad year. Now better America, Ucho Kada, a boof. Me time will be me to me near down for. Be I where do you but say that the other trade be beyond to me, Yamin himself be beyond, be being a better. More than diplomatic. Oh, no more. Oh, in fact, I got 2 minutes now before. In fact, Omo is Omo imagine say Omo the uncle baby kakana Omo nkasa beko mu masem no. Omo the end I just me sorry. Nana Yaa Brefo. Amembo na me do. Nana matese so car no a old car. I can give you a new car. I can help you get a better car that you can use to do Uber. Uber Eats there isn't much. You know, you're not going to get anything. To be very honest with you, Sibia wankasa wetumi etu nwesi waka no kore ansa na yebechew no. Me onse me pewasem long time. Nkwasi ade kakra bi na wo ye ya ema me no benya problem. And me I'm a very nice person oh. Nana Yaa Brefo, Madam Nana Yaa Brefo. Me a very nice guy. Say what ben me pen would be a very wonderful guy, very good guy. And me donipa. And my TV do be a cocoa around that. Also kind of question 2015 said then I say a dangerous cry. Next okano manusi sumna so epema nipa wunkwa na obewu eduane na be say, and I don't want anything like that to happen to you because enya roadworthy for people I ain't sure to sit inside. Dangerous, and I want you alive. I really love you, no homo. But no homo. And I really want to see you succeed in America. And what I can do to help you is that if you are going to open up to me, I can help you get a new car. I can help you get maybe a 2022 Camry or something, 2023, something very decent. If you want something even different than that, you can let me know. And I want to help you. I'm a good guy. I'm a good guy. And sometimes people don't understand me sometimes. I'm a very nice person. Monica. Very nice person. Kasa na mekasa. Between kasa I say yeah. But apart from that, I'm a very wonderful guy. And story now, yeah, I really appreciate you stepping out to let people know what you are going through before they get to know. A woman said you were trying to downplay the whole matter, but it's a serious matter. One of the best journalists in Ghana to come and drive Okada in America is dangerous. It's demeaning to women of Ghana, and it's demeaning to a journalist in Ghana. Inti Nana Yaa Brefo. A woman said, "Okay, can't send me cheme. I'm a Mr. K. By matured. We are not kids anymore." The money to me crana me campaign ma Kennedy. Then obi mpo be hu se me American campaign ma Kennedy. Sane we asete. So, inti find a way. I don't know how you're going to get in touch with me. But find a way and get in touch. I want to help you get a better car. I want to do that. And this is not something I may yet to please anybody. I'm doing this because genuinely I like you as a person. And I really want help. Inti, if there's anybody around who knows Nana Yaa Brefo, Nana, let's put our pride aside. Let's not do that. Let's put our pride aside. Let's help each other. We are Ghanaians. I love you. You love me. No homo. Nana, anyway, anyhow, you can find means to reach out to me. I can't put my number out here, but I know you know people who know me. Just give them a call and tell them, I want to talk to Kevin. I'll find a way to get you a better car. And with all due respect, when you get the car, don't tell anybody. Don't let anybody know. Say this car, Kevin, no, I don't want you to tell anyone, say, I've helped you do anything. No. I just want to do that. I want to prove a point to Nipebia. Omojin say you coming out and honestly telling what you're going through in America. And I say, Abruchino, they think it's a joke. It's not. Inti Nana, find every me. Uncle Foya, Nana almost so ewo Ghana. Ebi mutiti kuruma ha na omokaka sem chirewa ema wo kan sem bia oye mistake no. On say obeto omo hu mabrabo. They are poor people. They are poor people. Sa girl ya who fin or Maryland ya or share that over TV so yeah and a Kassachi Kevin did Kevin at Temno or diplomatic jantreni you did not see them ni edino onye juma or so then with you make up no better TikTok the juma only any Bermano Enish I may say na see ye nana me do ba studio me 2 studios so this who sha me serve about it me running the whole TV3 I'm telling you it's over $60,000. It's nana I understand it's not easy, it's a difficult one, but on say utieti nkofobia no emema okeke kan sembi, but you see with me sebio me hu se me nipa chen, but nipa nuane nipa and nipa na do nipa, and I really want to do this not because I want to do this to prove a point in nkofo a no between so metuma se me no wuntem nkofo between so ometuma mo enemy enya problem a obeka setia na makasetia na aye nipa bi de. But I want those people, I want to put them to shame. I want to help you, my sister. I want to take you out of where you are and prove to Ghana for, say, I'm a good guy. I am a good guy. I am such a wonderful guy. Maybe I won't experience Samira. Now, so I experienced Samira. And, I'm a very good person. Sanko for the men also do chroma own. How many times baby tino say and a rent basement. Miss Sanko for no sa equa pocket who fee and the rest abrewa ton own him. Wa Barbara to them was paying no conantia no their business one ajo or what is all chin. Now you just saw by no be more CNN me catch them. Saba you ano jantre did about chroma or a diplomatic jantre niba. A jantre in rough chrome ha or the jantre be pepa. In time, I'm ni pebi. Nana Yaa Brefo, I like you. Hey, upon all that happened, make a share me team. The last time I had this banter with you, I told my team, this is a lady I really like, but I don't know why she went to that extent. I know kase. Remember waru krasini ba, namakwari bruni bi, and you know, well, do sa level no. You forced me to say things I was not supposed to say. I'm a nice person, no. You forced me. But I don't also blame you because you see, when things happen, things happen. So I don't blame you. And nya dance for I hold nothing against you. Nothing. I'll be happy to see you one of these days in maybe DC and I walk to you and say, Nana, hey, and then I would love to help. Maybe I want to take over car issue. No, I want to get you a better car. Find a way, reach out to people that you think know me, and then I will make sure it is a promise to you. Let's put our ego aside. But I want those people, I want to put them to shame. I want to help you, my sister. I want to take you out of where you are and prove to Ghana for, say, I'm a good guy. I am a good guy. I am such a wonderful guy. Maybe I won't experience Samira. Now, so I experienced Samira. And I'm a very good person. Sanko for the men also do chroma own. How many times baby tino say and a rent basement. Me say Sanko for no sa equa pocket who fee and the rest abrewa ton own him. Wa Barbara to them was paying no conantia no their business one ajo or what is all chin. Now you just saw by no be more CNN me catch them. Saba you ano jantre did about chroma or a diplomatic jantre niba. A jantre in rough chroma or the jantre be pepa. In time, I'm ni pebi. Nana Yaa Brefo, I like you. Hey, upon all that happened, make a share me team. The last time I had this banter with you, I told my team, this is a lady I really like, but I don't know why she went to that extent. I know kase. Remember waru krasini ba, namakwari bruni bi, and you know, well, do sa level no. You forced me to say things I was not supposed to say. I'm a nice person, no. You forced me, but I don't also blame you because you see, when things happen, things happen. So I don't blame you. And nya dance for I hold nothing against you. Nothing. I'll be happy to see you one of these days in maybe DC and I walk to you and say, Nana, hey, and then I would love to help. Maybe I want to take over car issue. No, I want to get you a better car. Find a way, reach out to people that you think know me, and then I will make sure it is a promise to you. let's put our ego aside. So I can also help you as my sister. What's the big deal here? No big deal. Itinanaya, I'm a nice guy. I'm a very, very nice guy. Try and get in touch with me. Now, let's get some things going. Okay, so Adiana Koso menti ya nipe biki kansem. Besides, besides, I won't say anything. Besides, I know you told me, you've warned me. And we in fact nana ya ahwasem no asem fufuro but the team now I'm warning send the man in cancer asem no because your bigger story be about chire mo ni nyina for America ho. I get about chire mo enche. Okay. Me who be important starting nana Yaa Brefo mama basa esi ano de enkra ye start free hin esi ekra no nana ya asemi I was saying ginger me hokakra nana ma adwin nyina koye nana ya asemi.
But you must feel really proud.
Actually, I'm greatly honored. The Almighty God has done me a tremendous honor. Today is historic. It's a victory for all the teachers in Prempeh because over the past years, teachers in Prempeh College have been teaching students of other parents. So today, the Almighty God is crowning our effort.
Almighty God is crowning our effort. All right. Now, Mumian cool it off with something. And I saw a video of a young man bia. Omucha esa on say Bawumia na yire before no Samira. Muni say Samira na for pa ni afenyo marking. You people don't know Samira Bawumia na dan for pa ni afenyo marking. Na dan for pa no. And people don't know what I'm saying. But say Samira Shemia. Say Bawumia Shemia. Omusa Samira Bawumia say then afenyo marking be na dan for pa decision be pa no ni take ya boom before. Samira Bawumia na dan for pa ni afenyo marking. Me be say Samira ni kunu Bawumia busa Samira say, have you taken a decision together with afenyo marking before? Now, and then me video be of a year branti bi yesi omu na omu twa photo ema eye Samira ene Bawumia. Now video na branti ene beto social media ne se ono akoto prepaid electricity. Na ono photographer no on Samira wo enkokomma bi di ne chi nkokon ketinkiti mienu bi di ne chi omso mo yentafo omu twa photo omo tantantan bi I was with TV omo anipa ho nye omo ho I say nkas omo ho tantan boys mienu bi omo tantan bi I omo di wiase di ani nyina de omo say ntafre omo say omo say Somalia fo omo ho fi bi so mo yentafo. Now omo baako ebe show video bi and video no be show you know na o kan bibi moment tie no
show Makoto prepaid 1,000 and now pay ya ama metoya na ya sanso do light ya do light Ghana we all say there's no doom so in this country. Makoto prepaid 1,000 and now pay ya ama metoya na ya sanso do light yeah do light Ghana we all say there's no doom so in this country. Sure.
We muna omutwa Samira picture no also akoto prepaid otwa be kireye ono also o plant woni fie o photographer otwa picture we muna omutumi eye Bawumia Photoshop as Bawumia yare omutumi Bawumia oye no Photoshop too much I saw a sickler oye and under photo shoot so oye under photo shoot na it say ojimijimi sana Bawumia de edit here sa boys we no mo so omutwa photo ma Bawumia ne Samira true me tiani ade o hye pictures no boys we ne twa and the issue ne say ono akoto like 1,000 Ghana. Na ono chere Ghana for so ono or plant e woni fie. Bon de omode musika ne ye. Kwasiafo we see some so omutwa photo. Samira fe ne to ano botwa the photo. And ono ka kire say na aban ni sunti and ono enye sika wakoto or generate or plant woni fie. In fact, I did not put this out there. On say ode sa picture we kire no. You can see clearly ni fie. It lives ni fie number ni plot number Otidodowa district. Also akoto prepaid. Inti yeso pese be hu bebi a otene ne hwe se why illegal connection bia na so onye illegal connection bia ofie ho. Na efie ho no mote no ehu adwuma o mo ye no ehu sika no motumi akoto plant na so mo ntoy. I did not show this on any to social media. Na ote Dodowa district. Ne address no plot number SGGA 35/123 /123/34K. Nifie number no. So now that he was bold to show us, say because Bawumia ba power, omunye juma da otuma to plant a sinifie, and that ono koto prepaid 1,000. Na yedum kanianti or so generator na chere say ye na ye Jimmy. Because omudi Bawumia ne Samira chi so mutwa photo kekenti almost dying ato generator sim na dum so wo ho enti yesi wa direct yesi emra ne fie enti we are Ghana ni na so opeso hu asem na oka no kura wo mu a. I did not put this on social media. He wanted us to know where he lives. He wanted us to know his house. Baby a generator ni si any edan a odem say onye illegal connection ti generator na waso no emfa aban meeting because my information is that omo illegal connection will fear ho. Now I was trying to find his home. I was trying to find where they live all these years. And today's guy basically came out and showed and told us, to say an address, this is where he lives. So we can come and see anytime at night, in the morning, this is where he lives. A honoda. Now or privature say or no enye sika and the MPP. Eto mini plant. Inti NDC abayaba. Mwana mudi MPP chinkwasiafo no. Eye boy ye friend no eye fancy comedy no wentuma to plant ni bi. Me sure say koka nanum kankan wentuma to plant on abrabom. Wo hwe ntade ye hye na awdum so we jimi for. Wo hwe sankwasiafo ya girl ya wa se bosom tiefi. De ne moma kakraka tietie wa se bosom tiefi. Sa kwa no ultimate to plant in city fie. Sankwasiafo yom di MPP chi no. Sa boy we ya otwa picture ma Samira ene Bawumia no or ka kire say ono akoto prepaid 1,000 ain otoye na yedum kanea into ono ne tim no obese kire say owo generator na yepese yemu se sa generator no use no e legitimate otoye na say e aban de generator no edwuma oye na otim sika de toye or who receipt information yenya ne say why illegal connection with the fee ho Ghana for ye law abiding people no we want to issue and I said we want to come and check because senkonye ready say obabe hu baby a otia anka on fan address a plot number SGGA 35/123/34 a Dodowa district e ho no te e address no baby a ote no nti ye beko ho na yakọ check no ye call kra na ehu na at least enim say eye baby otene de eye Dodowa eye district ho enote. So we are going to follow up. And Ghanaians, a lot of Ghanaians, because I did not put this on social media. He did. He wanted us to know. He wanted every single person in Ghana to know where they live. Inti say ye call na say bia na enye ni fie a ye behu. Na say ni fie so a ebia baby okoto eye prepaid no address no me kire say oh nipa we okuta eye de eye account number 79 blah 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 and an meter ID no ID na ho no P16321000 and also ye be ma ECG for check it if everything is intact. So at least now we know where one of the birds live. Ye hu baby a entakrabo an ba akote. We did not force him. He wanted us to know. He wants us to see. Inti yema Ghana for hu From a Chirekono, we will let Ghanaians know videos from there, or Pieni or Koba, and whatever happens there, Nipo Muremni Nipo Mupie. So I just wanted you to know. I just wanted to let Ghana know what he has actually done on one of the so Ghanaians will take care of that. Ghanaians who want to know. There are people who want to know say mitani and dia. The people want to know who on person who say generator and dia. Ya person confirm person who say feel hankasa na ote. In confirm person who say why illegal connection so onye illegal connection. If you're no sika osu onyano and no the high dino and no the see dino as a lifestyle audit and president account was so we are going to check all these things. Car ben will use Oh, how many people live there? We all have to be our brother's keeper. So Ghana for I did not. And if you have it, it is here. Thank you very much. Now, there is something going on I want to share with you, and it's got to do with this 24-hour economy, authority bill President Mahama is signing into law. Now, Mumianko share what happened today. President is signing.
Cabinet colleagues have just appended my signature to give assent to the 24-hour authority bill. This is a bill Ghanaians have been waiting for. It was one of our flagship strategies for economic transformation. It's taking a while, but we needed to go patiently through the process to give legal effect to it. And so from now...
The MPP cannot be underestimated.
The MPP of Darocha, Sakiskek, Victor Wusu, Kofi Buzia, Professor Edubuahe, Alajete, J.A. Kufuor, those men of value, those men of integrity are not what we have today. I tell you without mincing words, the 5 people who are contesting, wanting to be flag bearers, are just sankwas. I tell you without mincing words, the 5 people who are contesting, wanting to be flag bearers, are just sankwas. I tell you without mincing words,